Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of sin x multiplied with sine of cosine x to the power of 5 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. We put about u equal to cosine x, du equal to negative sine x dx. As you can see that we don't have the negative in here, so we put the negative next to du. Cosine x we change for u, sine x dx we change for negative du. Next, we can put about sine u to the power of 4 multiply with sine u du. We have sine u square plus cosine u square equal to number 1. So we got about sine u square equals to 1 minus cosine u square. So in this one we put in here because that's about number 4 and here is about number 2. So it means we will got about 1 minus cosine u square to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So we will put about t equal to cosine u dt equal to negative sine u du. This one we change for t, so that should be t square. Negative sine u du we change for dt. One minus t square. We have the power 2 in here, so you got about 1 minus 2t square plus t to the power of 4 dt. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of number 1 you got about t. The integral of negative 2t square you got about negative 2t to the power of 3 over 3. And the last one, about t we change back for cosine u. And about u we need to change back for cosine x. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.